I'm Bo with Windsor, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 3 iScrub 26. The Chariot 3 is a 26-inch wide scrubber with a 25-gallon solution tank and a 25-gallon recovery tank. Let's start our overview by taking a look at the control panel on the Chariot 3. On the left side of the control panel, you'll find the horn, the electronic stop, the forward and reverse selector, as well as the key ignition and an hour meter. On the right side of the control panel, you'll find a battery meter, a water shutoff switch, and the selection knob that controls all the function of the machines, with 2 transport speeds, 4 cleaning speeds, a scrub-only selection, and a vacuum-only selection. At the front of the iScrub 26, you'll find the cover over the recovery tank, as well as a solution fill port and access to the solution and recovery dump hoses. By simply undoing the latch, you now have complete access to clean out and maintain your recovery tank. Inside the recovery tank, you'll also find access to the strainer to catch any loose debris that gets picked up, as well as a float shutoff. Both of these should be cleaned and maintained after each use. By simply reaching in, you can access the strainer. This will catch any large debris that's recovered in the recovery process. You can also remove the float shutoff. This float shutoff needs to be clean and free of debris so that the machine shuts off at the appropriate time. We've made it very easy to access this and maintain it. Additionally, you'll find the 25-gallon fill port for the solution tank, as well as the dump hoses for the recovery tank and the solution tank. The scrub deck of the Chariot iScrub 26 has been vastly simplified over previous models. The squeegee requires no user adjustments at all. It's designed to self-adjust and work perfectly in all applications. To remove the squeegee, simply remove the hose, loosen the bolt that holds the squeegee in place, and slide the squeegee out. At the back of the scrub deck, you'll find the Aqua-Mizer squeegee system. The Aqua-Mizer squeegee system is a unique solution to extending runtime between fill-ups and conserving water and chemicals. The Aqua-Mizer system essentially is 2 squeegees, one behind each brush. The squeegees form a cleaning chamber with the front and side skirts, hold the solution in so it's used to full efficacy, and allow it to drain out between the skirts. What this means for you is that you get 50% increase in runtime between fill-ups. So in essence, the 25-gallon solution tank on the Chariot iScrub 26 actually functions like a 38-gallon solution tank. Additionally, the Aqua-Mizer helps to conserve chemical and water usage. To access the Aqua-Mizer squeegees, lift the skirt on the scrub deck, loosen the wing nuts on either side of the Aqua-Mizer squeegee, and then pull the Aqua-Mizer squeegee straight back and up. To remove the brush or pad driver from the scrub deck, open the cover on the side of the scrub deck and release the pad driver or the brush. To reassemble the deck, take the brush or pad driver and mount it back to the deck, put it up under the deck, give it a quick turn clockwise, and push up. Remount the Aqua-Mizer squeegee. And put the squeegee back in place, remembering to connect the recovery hose to the squeegee. One of the options on the Chariot iScrub 26 is onboard chemical metering. If you've selected this option, you'll have a 1-gallon solution tank mounted in front of the steering wheel. This solution tank can be filled with undiluted chemical that will be metered and mixed with the water. The dilution rate control knob will be mounted right here. The dilution rates that you can dilute at are a 1/2 ounce per gallon, 1 ounce per gallon, 2 ounces per gallon, 3 ounces per gallon, and 4 ounces per gallon. Underneath the knob, you'll find a priming switch. This will help prime the system and get it ready to clean. The system will self-prime, but it takes a minute or so for the chemical to work through unless it's primed. Additionally, you'll find the onboard charging system if that's one of the options you've selected. Otherwise, you'll unplug and charge your system as normal. To prepare your Chariot iScrub 26 for use, you'll need to fill the solution tank. To begin using your Chariot iScrub 26, turn on the key ignition, select either forward or reverse, select the transport speed, use a slower speed in congested areas or areas you may come in contact with people. Once you arrive at the area to be cleaned, select the cleaning mode. A1 uses less water and less vacuum. This mode is called EcoMode. A2 provides more vacuum for using an EcoMode option on grouted floors where you may need more pickup. A3 is a daily clean, and A4 is a heavy-duty clean with the maximum amount of water and vacuum. Mode B is vacuum only. This will be used just to recover solution or water from the floor. And Mode C is scrub only. This will be used to double scrub and give the chemical time to dwell on the floor. To prepare your Chariot iScrub 26 for storage, you'll need to empty the recovery tank as well as the solution tank. Start by emptying the solution tank. Next, empty and rinse the recovery tank. Be sure to clean the strainer basket as well as the float shutoff. When you're finished rinsing the recovery tank and prepping your machine for storage, be sure to leave the lid open so that the recovery tank can dry thoroughly. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Chariot 3 iScrub 26.